Once you've processed your path like this, one handy feature is that you can skip to your different keyframes. That's what the plus and minus key buttons do on your window. Let's look at this from another angle. Alright, now watch the tick marker as I do this. If I press minus a couple times, you can see it skip back to my previous keyframes. And now that I've stopped here, notice how one of them in front of me has changed color? That shows that it's highlighted. And actually, if you look back at our first one here, I can press minus again and it will be highlighted too. Alright, I'm going to highlight our second one because that's what I need to fix. Right now, the problem is that it's going through the wall. So I'm going to make the new one in such a way that there's no way it can be running into the wall. Okay, this position here looks pretty good. So I'm going to press delete key to delete our old one, then make key to create the new one. Now let's back off a bit. Okay, you see that new green keyframe there? You can also see the original path in a different color, but the green one is the new one and won't run into the wall. Alright, now that I have that set up, I need to reprocess this. So I'm going to Process, Spline Angles, back off twice, then Process, Spline Origin. There. Now we have a nice clean path going through the window. So let's check it out. Turn drive mode off, then Show Processed. Ooh, nice flyby over the chips. Okay, except for that last curve not looking where I was expecting it to, this looks like a pretty sweet curve. And if I wanted to fix that, I could change the orientation of that keyframe or add a new one. But as far as teaching this goes, that would just be a repeat of what we just did. So I think this particular camera path is done. I'll fly against a dark background so you can see the menus again. Alright, there is one last crucial step in this whole process. If you forget this step, all your work will be for nothing.